Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to create an Uber account. So first we're going to go to our Uber app. You guys can find this app in the App Store or Play Store. It's such a helpful traveling app. So to sign up, they're going to have three ways. You can use either your Apple account, your Google account, or your email. You can also use your phone number. I personally chose my Apple account. So you guys could also use the other four methods. Then they're going to ask you to insert your phone number. So depending on where you are, you guys can change your country to insert your phone number. Then once you're done, you're going to click on next. So you're going to agree for their terms and conditions. So as you can see, they're already creating the account. So that's how you do it. It's an easy tutorial. This is how you create the Uber account. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.